Welcome back everyone. You are listening to Neetu Soni, Teacher Maths, Sages Pemesra. We are going to learn about the associative property of whole numbers. We have already discussed the associative property for natural numbers. So it is grouping of numbers for operations. So let us see it over addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Associative property over addition. It says a plus b in bracket plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c, where a, b, c are the whole numbers. For example, to prove it, we have taken a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. So my LHS, I have a plus b in bracket plus c, and the values 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 4. So solving the bracket first, it is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. In RHS I have a plus in bracket b plus c. Putting the values, it becomes 2 plus 3 plus 4 in bracket. Solving, we have 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Clearly we can see that LHS is equal to RHS, and hence we can say associative property is valid. It is applied to addition of whole numbers, like in natural numbers we had applicable. So let us check whether it is applicable or not. So to understand this, we take an example. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Here we are changing the operation, that is from plus we have changed it to subtraction. In LHS I have a minus b in bracket minus c. Putting the values, I have 2 minus 3 in bracket minus 4 minus 1 minus 4, and which is equal to minus 5. Now in RHS I have a minus in bracket b minus c, which becomes 2 minus 3 minus 4 in bracket. So solving the bracket first, I have 2 minus into minus 1. So minus into minus becomes 1, so I get 3. So we can see that LHS and RHS are not same. So hence associative property does not apply over the subtraction of the numbers, whole numbers. Even we have seen in natural numbers it was not applied for subtraction and division. So here also for subtraction it is not applicable for the whole numbers. Now let us check this property over multiplication. A into b in bracket into c is equal to a into in bracket b into c, where a, b, c are the whole numbers. To verify this, we take values a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to 4. In LHS I have a into b into c, a into b in bracket into c. Putting the values 2 into 3 in bracket into 4. Solving the bracket, I have 6 into 4, then finally 24. In RHS I have a into in bracket b into c, which is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 in bracket 2 into 12, and it becomes 24.